हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि था चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, सेट ऑफ रिकर्सिव इनहेरिटेबल लैंग्वेज इज क्लोज्ड अंडर द यूनियन इफ अ लैंग्वेज एंड इट कॉम्प्लीमेंट आर बोथ रेगुलर देन द लैंग्वेज मस्ट बी रिकर्सिव। रिकर्सिव लैंग्वेज आर क्लोज्ड अंडर कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन none of the above. Let's go through each statement. Set of recursive enumerable language is closed under the union. This statement is correct. The set of recursive enumerable language, also known as recursive enumerable sets, is closed under the union operation. This means that if you take the union of two recursive enumerable language, the resulting language also recursive enumerable. Recursive enumerable language are thus for which there exists a Turing machine that can be enumerate, मतलब कि list all the string in the language, although it may not necessarily hold or string not in the language. Option 2, if a language and its complement are both regular, then the language must be recursive. This statement is incorrect. There are language for which both the language and complement are regular, yet the language itself is not recursive. One example is the language consisting of all string over the alphabet 0 and 1 that do not contain the substring 1 to 1. This language and complement are both regular, since regular language are closed under complementation, but the language itself is not recursive, as there is no algorithm that can decide whether an arbitrary string belong to it or not. Option 3 means statement. Recursive language are closed under complementation. This statement is correct. A recursive language, also known as dividable language, is one for which there exists a Turing machine that halt and accept every string in the language and halt and reject every string not in the language. The complement of recursive language is also recursive because you can simply modify the Turing machine to accept the complement indeed of the original language. So the correct choice is fourth, मतलब none of the above. Thank you.